Now every magician should have a magic wand. You can do some great tricks with magic wands. Now watch closely. Rub the wand on your sleeve, create static electricity, and when placed on your hand, the wand now sticks to your hand. Remember, every magician must have a magic wand. The magic wand trick. Now the explanation how to make the magic wand stick to your hand. There was two methods used, and I'm going to explain both of them. Now, the first one, when you actually rub the wand on your sleeve like this, it doesn't actually do anything, it's misdirection. People actually think you are creating static electricity. Then you place it on your hand. Now what happens is this. My hand is going to come over, like I'm pointing at you, and I grip the wand like this, and my fingers go round my wrist like this. Now I'll show you this nice and slowly again. Okay, so from the front, it actually does look like the wand is sticking to my hand. So you present it in a nice way like this. Okay, now if you turn it back, you can see my hand is actually holding it. Now this is really important. When you do this, you've got to do it in a quick motion. So I'll show you again. Take the wand, rub it on your sleeve, place it on your hand. So this happens as you're moving as well, so you turn to the side as well. So the hand comes across, okay, in slow motion, and you grip the wand like that. Now, if you notice just in that bit of footage, you actually saw me grab it like this. Now it's really, really important you do it quickly, so this is how it should look in real time. Here we go. Rub the sleeve, wand on hand, you come across, and you grab the wand, and then you can even separate your fingers if you like, but make sure your finger doesn't poke through the other end, because what you don't want to happen is this. So when you do separate the fingers, they actually see the finger through there. That is what you don't want to do, okay? Hold it for a few seconds. Now, what you can do, as you can see, it's gripped like this. It's very important to make sure when you're doing this trick, you don't let go with your hand. Otherwise, the wand would fall on the floor. But in this case, it still sticks there. Now, the great thing about this is, it's all due to double-sided sticky tape. You can see it this side, but from that side, they can't see it. Now, there is another way of doing that as well, if you like, if you don't want to use any tape, is when you need to get a magic wand, you can either buy one from a store, or you can make your own, which is great fun. Go to a hardware store and get a piece of dowel, very similar size to this. You paint it black in the middle and put white tape at the ends. Then if you like, very carefully, put a little tack in the middle, a very small little pin nail in the middle, which you would then place between the two fingers, which you'd hold instead of the tape. But as you can see, the tape works just as well. Even though I'm wearing gloves, even on your hands it will work just as well. And it's pretty cool. You can shake it about, move your fingers, nothing to see. Just be careful when you place it on the table, you don't place it so it sticks down, and when you pull it off it makes a noise. That is called the magic wand trick. And that's how to make the wand stick to your hand.